B. Clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is an instrument used to measure the temperature of a human body. It uses mercury as its thermometric substance and has a narrow constriction in the tube just above the bulb. The diagram below shows the main features of a clinical thermometer. The constriction prevents the mercury level from falling down when it contacts with the human body. The clinical thermometer has a short scale of temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius spread over its entire level. This is because the human body temperature falls slightly above or below 370 C, which is the temperature of a normal and healthy person. Methylated spirit is used to sterilize the clinical thermometer. Boiling water is not used because its temperature is quite far away from the maximum temperature of the clinical thermometer. This can destroy the thermometer. The thermometer can be reset by a simple flick. C. 6's maximum and minimum thermometer. This thermometer is used to record the maximum and minimum temperature of a place during a day. The thermometer consists of a U-tube connected to two bulbs. The U-tube contains mercury. The two bulbs contain alcohol. The figure below shows the main features of a 6's maximum and minimum thermometer. Working of the thermometer. When temperature raises, alcohol-occupying volume of bulb expand and forces mercury in the U-tube to rise on the right-hand side. The mercury in turn pushes the steel indexer upwards. The maximum temperature can be noted from the lower end of the steel indexer. On the other hand, when the temperature falls, alcohol in the bulb contracts and the mercury is pulled back, rising the left-hand side of the U-tube. The index B is then pushed up. During contraction of the alcohol, indexer is left behind, in the alcohol, by the falling mercury. The minimum temperature is then read from the lower end of index B. Note: to reset the thermometer, a magnet is used to return the steel indices to the mercury surfaces. D. The bimetallic thermometer. It is made up of a coiled bimetallic strip whose one end is fixed and the other end connected to a pointer. Commonly used metals are brass and invar. When the temperature rises, brass expands more than invar. The strip thus curls, forcing the pointer to move over a calibrated scale.